Ain't nobody want to be imagining with a grown man on a cold call. Man, do I have something funny to tell you today. It's basically about questions. I was talking to my little brother Steve, and we were trying to figure out how to better connect with people. Hey, that's faster and more comfortable for both people involved, especially on something like a first introduction or a cold call. And he just said something really funny, which was, here's Caitlin. There's Caitlin. And so we worked through a couple of ideas and some questions and some ways to build connection. But the funniest thing that came out of it was this statement, because we were working through questions, and some of the questions were pretty far out there and good for certain times, but one of them had the word imagine in it, and Steve goes, just like I built, you're messing up my video. You're jacking my video. Alright, I can see that this one is going to take a couple of takes here. I was talking to Uncle Steve yesterday, and what he was saying was that ain't nobody want to be imagining with a grown man on a cold call. Ain't nobody want to be imagining with a grown man on a cold call. And isn't that the truth? It's pretty much the most truthful thing I've uncovered in the last couple weeks, and it's a good thing to keep in mind that it's hard to open up a relationship, impossible really, to build enough rapport on that first call. So don't get frustrated on a first call. Whoa. You can't possibly expect to develop enough rapport on an intro phone call or an intro meeting at a networking event or the first time you see someone. It's just like a regular relationship. So that's going to take a little bit of time, and just give yourself the grace needed so that you have the time to build that relationship. All right, let's get down to some wheelies. So today we're going to be working on our side-to-side balance. I don't even know what lesson this is today. It's side-to-side balance lesson day, and we'll go from there. I got my family out here. We're going to be tossing around that front wheel and trying to see what it's like, to see if we can get some wheelies going. All right, let's get on this bike and do it. Whew. That was some loop out commitment there. I'm not sure what happened, so you all watch the replay. You let me know. So I'm trying to keep my arms a little bit straighter like I was last time, but I noticed once I pop that front wheel, that's hard for me to keep pedaling, and I think that's because I don't have the good front to front balance, but I'll keep trying to work through it. And so then on that first loop out, I think what happened is I just tried to turn my wheel, totally forgot about my brake and everything, just whoop. Okay, so let's keep going. I think one of the things I'm struggling with is that I get my front wheel lift, but then what happens is that I stop pedaling. I don't know if because I'm like losing my balance and don't want to pedal anymore, or kind of what's going on, but we'll give it a few more tries and then we're gonna wrap up. Okay, so that was the end of my wheelie practice, and I just want to mention what my brother said again. Ain't nobody want to be imagining with a grown man on a cold call. Ain't that the truth? Why do they put stuff like that in business books? I don't know, but we'll figure it out together, all right? And we'll be having fun and enjoying connecting. So I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Please drop me a like or subscribe.